Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to be connected with this JBL headphones application and select your earbuds. Next, you have to scroll down and find gestures. Then click on this arrow. And right now we can find gestures for the left and the right earbud. So here we can customize some gestures for the left one. So let's click on this arrow. And as you can see right here, we can pick, for example, the playback control. We can also move to the volume control. So right now when we tap once on the left one, we are going to volume up. And when we tap 2 times, we are going to volume down. When you switch, for example, for the voice assistant control, take a look for the other options. On the single tap, you will get the Google Assistant. You will cancel the Google Assistant. On the double tap, you will get a notification callout. And on the tap and hold, you will get the talk to Google Assistant. So basically, that's the place where you can adjust these gestures for your JBL Race earbuds. This one, the call control, you cannot change. As you can see, there is no such a feature, and the same for the right one. So you can only customize these gestures. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.